There's your root structure. It's got a brand new growth of leaves coming off the bottom right where the roots come out, but some of these roots are way up top. I mean, they just kind of pop out. They don't all just come out of the very bottom here. They came out of the middle section also. Well, good morning. It is a snow day. Look at this. We got about 3 inches last night. Shoveled the walkway and the weather has turned a little bit warmer. So we'll go in the greenhouse. See the snow blanketed the outside there, but 40 degrees in here today. It's still cold. These little geraniums, I keep picking off the flowers and the dead stuff, but you can see some of these have a little white fly on them. I spray them as much as possible, trim the flowers off, get the dead stuff. But I have some of these plants, these begonias, or not begonias, I'm sorry, these geraniums that I took as cuttings, and I want to pot them on. They're in my pump house, but we will grab some pots, old empty pots, and fill them up with some compost. I've got some compost sand mix. Take them into the pump house where it's a little warmer. I have a little heater in there. It's not that much warmer. It's only about maybe 50 degrees in there, but we'll do some potting on. All right. These are looking pretty good. Turn you around a little bit so you can see this. They didn't all go. I mean, I tried to do as many as possible, but look at that. These root trainers, they really push the roots down. Plummet this one down in here. And then pack the rest around. It's just compost and sand. They're going to go underneath the lights here. And it's, like I said, it's not super warm, but it's warm enough. Second root trainer. Oh yeah, look at those roots. So that's kind of nice. I mean, they don't all work. I mean, this guy here, nothing. Yeah, nothing. So they don't all work. I like the way that you can just open these clamshell. There's some dead leaves on here we're gonna pull off. We'll just pinch them back real easy. Get rid of them. There's a little tiny flower here. I'll leave it for now, see what happens, but it'll probably end up coming off. Like I said, I started these, oh man, it was fall, late fall even. It was probably October I started these. And they'd just been sitting in these trays, doing nothing, just putting on roots. It's got good roots, but look at the leaves on there. There's green. You can see the green, but man, it just doesn't look great. But put it under lights, give it some warmth. It'll perk up. It'll put leaves on, new growth. Eventually flowers and go out into the pots in the springtime. It's an easy job, just something has to be done. Got to move this stuff up. We'll trim off the dead ones. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, yeah. I mean, look at, it doesn't look like much, right? It's got some dead leaves, but the root structure is nice. Kind of like good root structure. Okay, up under the lights. Oh, I got another one here. I should rinse this one off so you can see it. There we go. There's your root structure. It's got a brand new growth of leaves coming off the bottom right where the roots come out, but some of these roots are way up top. I mean, they just kind of pop out. They don't all just come out of the very bottom here. They came out of the middle section also. There we go. Open this clamshell. Oh, nice. So this one's got possible roots, even though it looks pretty dead. We will check that one out. That'll be a surprise bonus one. Good root structure. I generally do this in the greenhouse, but it's just a little bit warmer in the pump house. That is a cold greenhouse. I don't have heat. There's some good roots right there. Take the heel off. See, it starts to put on little roots right here at the joint. Just starting to try to put on some roots right there, but that's got good root structure all the way around. I'll make sure and water these all in. And you have another tray ready to go. We'll take those back out to the greenhouse. These will go under the lights. How many did I get total? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I got 9. 9 total. All right. Tomorrow we'll start on these. These are Calabrocoas. I got two things of these. So we will pull these apart, look at the roots. They have new growth. You can see the new growth coming on. But it's still early. I don't need to. It's not crucial. I might even drop those cuttings right into here and let them work on. I might do that. Might not be too bad. Let them put on roots. These are Leland cypress cuttings, and I took these in the fall also about the same time, but these take a long time to root. We just kind of spray them down, keep them moist once a day, and they sit up here under the lights also. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for coming along with me today. You guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.